Claude AI is one of the fastest growing AI tools right now, and a lot of people are starting to see it as a serious alternative to ChatGPT. But before you switch or start paying for it, there are a few things you need to understand. At first, Claude feels very different. The responses are calmer, more structured, and often more detailed. It's especially good at writing, explaining complex ideas, and working through long documents. In fact, one of its biggest advantages is its massive context window, meaning it can handle extremely long inputs, like full PDFs, large notes, or even entire codebases, without losing track. For students, writers, or anyone doing research, this feels like a huge upgrade. You can paste in a long text, ask for a summary, or even ask Claude to improve it, and it actually understands the full context instead of giving shallow answers. But here's where things get more interesting. Claude isn't trying to be flashy. It doesn't generate images, and it doesn't have as many built-in tools or integrations as some competitors. Instead, it focuses heavily on reasoning, accuracy, and safety. And in many cases, that actually makes it feel more reliable, especially for serious tasks like coding, analysis, or structured writing. However, it's not perfect. One of the biggest downsides is usage limits. Even with the paid plan, you can hit limits faster than expected, especially if you're working with large prompts or complex tasks. And compared to other AI tools, Claude can sometimes feel a bit restricted in terms of features, especially if you're used to more all-in-one platforms. Pricing is another factor. Claude offers a free plan, but it's limited. The Pro plan is around $20 per month, and while it unlocks more usage and better performance, you still need to be aware of those limits. So the real question is Claude actually worth it? If your focus is writing, studying, coding, or working with long and complex information, then yes, Claude might actually be one of the best AI tools you can use right now. It's reliable, thoughtful, and incredibly strong when it comes to deep understanding. But if you're looking for an AI that does everything, images, tools, automation, and unlimited usage, then you might feel like something is missing. Claude isn't trying to be the most powerful AI in every category. It's trying to be the most focused and reliable one. And depending on what you need, that might actually be better.